ulit, size medium. Button down, grayish naman to mga madam. Ganda. Okay, best fit medium, semi-large. Medium, semi-large. Code ako ng gray, 680 gray. 680, code is gray. Ganda. Okay, next, cotton on. Large on tag. Okay, large on tag, brand new ni cotton on mga madam. Large XL to. Large XL, large semi-XL, brand new with cut tag. Ay, brand new ni cotton on. Size large mga madam, pero hanggang semi-XL pasok. Code ako brand new 680. Brand new 680. Medium large na on the go. Ito mi, size 10. Justine, branded by Doty. Ay, Ancong pala. Size 10. Medium, semi-large, button down. Ganda. Code ako button down 680. Button down 680. Excuse me. XL na ano mo? Uy, ang ganda nito. Oh, eto, large mga madam, large XL, branded by City Chic, cotton yan mga miha. Best fit up to XL mga madam. Best fit up to XL, ayan, City Chic, large XL mga miha. Code ako black lace 680, black lace for 680. Black lace. Ano pang mga bet nyo dyan? Oh, yung ganda. Medium Dreamcatcher, mga madam, super cotton. Medium large, button down, branded by Dreamcatcher. Button down yun. Shit, ang ganda. Code ako ng Dream. 680, code is Dream. Medium large. Code ng Dream. Okay, next, size large. May pakwelyo, cotton, linen ng tela, button down, ha. Size large, US size 12, code ako kwelyo. Code kwelyo, ganda. On the go din to, ha. Button down all the way. Size large, code kwelyo 680. Kwelyo 680. Ay, ganda rin. Wrap around spicy sugar, super cotton, mga madam. Size large. Okay, size large. Super cotton wrap around with belt. Ayan, garter waist pa to hanggang semi-XL pasok pa to. Code ako powder. Powder, 680 powder. Powder, 680 pesos.